this is Kat and Steven with Pocket Universes, and in this video we're going to show you how to build a circuit board.
The first step is to do a layout in a program like EagleCAD or KiCad. And then from that you get a map of where to put the parts. And so we picked all the parts from DigiKey and we're going to lay them out on the board. The next step is to design a stencil holder to actually hold the solder stencil and the circuit board in place. We're going to laser cut a prototype out of cardboard for that. And check and see if it fits, and it works. So the next step will be to make the acrylic version that will actually hold it in place. Once we have the solder stencil in place, we can drag all the solder paste into the actual grooves on it.
And then place all the component parts onto it. You have to be really careful with that because they can move around and they're very tiny, but if you're really careful and have tweezers, good.
You got it.
You got it.
Safety is really important here, which is why we're wearing gloves and eye protection. So we put it in our homemade reflow oven. The little thermocouple there will measure the temperature of the board. So all we have to do is press go and get it started. So that'll heat the board up enough to where the solder melts and pulls all the components into place. We'll let it cool for a little bit. We do not know this cat. This is not our cat. And now the cat is leaving. Okay, so we'll let the board cool for a little bit before we take it out and check on it. And it looks pretty good. This is what it looked like before we put it in the oven. And then we ended up with a board like this. So the next step is to check for shorts and make sure there's not any problems. And then to put it on the bench power supply and power it up. And what do you know? It works. So we've got to program it and put on some animations. And this is the final product. We have a board that works and does pretty animations.
Thanks for watching.